Hey, when it comes right down to it, there are only three steps to building a brand new habit. Before I get into those steps, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Francois. I'm the founder and chief medical exercise specialist here at the Pink Link. All right, so are you ready? Let's go into those three steps that I want to share with you in this video. Number one is to be aware of the habit that needs to be changed. Right? So what is that habit? We got to be aware of what we want to be trying to do for sure. All right. Number two is replacing it with something new. That should be somewhat self-explanatory. And number three is consistently choosing the new habit as well. So you might be thinking, hey, Francois, that sounds really super simple, but what is a concern here? And definitely a concern with some of my clients has been the following. It's called that getting stuck after step one. Yeah, we get the awareness going on, but we know what habit needs to change, but then some of my clients, they don't have anything to replace it with. And that's sometimes where we come in as well. And we kind of look at things together. And one of the cool things that I kind of found over time with a theme that's come up with some of my clients is basically a self-care menu. So I will kind of share with you what that self-care menu may look like as well. All right. So the self-care menu is really a list of feel-good actions that you could take before you slip back into that autopilot habit that you need to change. So for examples, maybe if you have a pet, is play with your pet for 5 minutes. Maybe it's listen to one of your favorite songs. Maybe it's to going outside for a short walk or just stepping outside in the backyard or front yard for that matter to get some fresh air. Take a few breaths. Maybe it's doing some quick stretches and incorporating that into your days. Maybe it's a form of meditation for as short as 3 minutes. So it doesn't have to be that 30 minutes. Maybe it's 3 minutes. Doing these things can help disrupt that old trigger or that behavior. Um, and that cycle with something that feels good and that you enjoy as well. And the short interruption can give you some breathing room so that you can be more mindful about what to do next. Whether it's what you're going to eat, whether you're going to scroll through your social phone, tablets, computer, even like what I'm on right now, or any other habit that you're trying to replace. I know some things are woven into our lifestyle, and part of it is our work as well. So I definitely do recognize that, but it's giving them some time to breathe for yourself as well. And this can also be something related to, for example, your food and if it's associated with mood. So in a previous video I shared with you last week, it was all about a new thing I want to be doing this month. I've already started it, and I just got to put some editing and some final touches with it. And I've done it with a professional nutritionist. If you're interested in that food and mood journal, let me know in the comments below as well. So, hey, that aside, what is the next step? The big one is consistency. It really is. And it's more about keeping that self-care menu somewhere that you could see it. Maybe like on your phone's notes app or your fridge, a sticky note on your desk, something where you see it. Yes, trust me, it takes practice to redirect ourselves. But eventually, you'll find it to get easier and easier to make better choices as well. Makes sense, right? Finding those quick personal wins like these is one of the first steps that I take when I work with clients one-on-one. And it's why some of my clients start to get traction fast because of the approach that I use and the methods that I use. Because I also look at other things to get results. For example, working on mobility with some of my clients and flexibility so they could protect themselves from falls and injuries. It's also finding easy ways to get more exercise into their lifestyle and their schedule, wherever that fits, without doing a big carve out of, let's say, 3 hours in the gym. No, not really. That's not how I operate. And it's also creating sometimes non-negotiables list with some of my clients to help identify priorities for them to stick with as well. Hey, if you ever want to see what some of the coaching one-on-one may look like with me, please let me know as well, because I'm here for you. I'm committed to your health and wellness. And that said, I would just want to thank you for tuning in with me here. You can also find some more information at the Other Pain Clinic website, theotherpainclinic.com, Facebook page, and also YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video.